I've been reselling for over 5 years now and I've tested thousands of suppliers to find which is the best one. After wasting thousands of dollars on vendors that scam or have terrible quality product, I have found the ones that pass StockX and I'm going to give you them for completely free. Every vendor I'm going to give you in this video, I've tested each one to verify they're legit and have good quality product. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find these suppliers, what products to sell for the most profit, and where to actually sell the products. The only thing I want from you guys is a nice comment, a like, and a sub, and let me know how much money you guys end up making from reselling. All the suppliers I'm talking about in this video can be found in the first link in the description. I'm going to show you which products to buy that sell quick, and I'm going to review each of these products to show the quality. First off, let's talk about the clothing. So I don't recommend selling any of this stuff. It's just so hard to sell and so oversaturated in 2026. But as you guys can see, the quality is amazing. I wear this stuff all the time. I never get called out for it. Same thing with the clothing. Selling shoes is pretty much impossible unless you buy every single size. It's just one of those things that you'll spend money on and just never end up selling. Now for personal wear, I do recommend that. These Yeezys cost me like $40, I think, and you could probably resell them for $80, but once again, the shoes are just so shit at selling. Now, going on to one product that's actually good at selling, especially during summer or places like California or Florida, are these designer glasses. Now, you can buy these for like $20 from the jewelry supplier, and these are completely authentic and unbranded, so they're fine to resell on eBay. You won't get banned or anything, and like they have iced out ones too. Personally, I like the iced out ones, but you can buy both of them. I just have so many because they sell so quickly. Now, another great product to sell are these G-Shocks. Now, these are completely authentic from the jewelry vendor. They're iced out with moissanite and 925 silver, so you can pass every diamond tester. Now, these do cost like $400, but since they cost so much, you can resell them for like $1,000+ on Facebook. I also sell a lot of these rings too. These are $20, 925 silver moissanite, so they pass the diamond tester, and these things go super good. You can sell them for like $300 on Facebook, and they fit every size finger. They have a bunch of different variants on the website. Like you can get Cuban rings, engagement rings, all sorts of stuff. Let me just prove to you that I'm not bullshitting, and these things actually do pass the diamond tester. So as you can see, it's full red. Let me do both earrings here, and then let me do the ring. Engagement rings sell really good because people are willing to spend like thousands of dollars on a ring to marry their girl, and especially during summertime, they sell super quick, and these do fit every size finger, which makes it even better to sell. All these products come with GRA certificates as well to show the moissanite is real, and it shows like the clarity and stuff, and when you're selling it in person, people definitely want to see this stuff, and it'll help you secure the sale. These rope chains are good products to sell as well. These only cost $20 and can be resold for $100+ on Facebook. These won't turn your neck green either because they're triple gold plated, so it's super thick layer of it. Here's a video of the iced out glasses too. These things will pass a diamond tester, and they just look super good. As you guys can see, they come with this the designer case too, and you could resell these things for like $300 and then it costs $40. I sell all kinds of this jewelry. The supplier I have down below is really good, and they're from USA, so the shipping time is like 2 days when you buy. Like as you guys can see, I have rope chains, rings, pendants. Let me show you these Cuban chains over here. These are iced out. These will pass a diamond tester as well. These cost about $30 to $40. You can resell them for $300+ on Facebook. I got just pretty much every sort of chain. I got these 20mm baguette chains up here. These cost like $80 and can be sold for $500. Now, one mistake I did in the beginning of reselling was only ordering a few of these products at once. And then when I sold it all super quick, I was just waiting for more to come in, and I was basically losing money. So you definitely want to spend as much as you can for a bulk order, and then so you're not losing money if you end up selling this stuff super quick. Now, on how to sell the products, you want to download all these apps right here. These are the apps that I find the most success on. When selling the products, you want to tell them exactly what it is. Since there isn't a set value on moissanite products, you can pretty much get like whatever they can pay under diamond. Listing it for 5 times the price you pay is a good start. That's usually what I get my sales for. And just a note, Facebook Marketplace is probably the best app to sell on. It's kind of harder to get a lot of money spent on eBay, as people are kind of stingy on that app, but on Facebook Marketplace, when they can actually look at the jewelry in person, they'll tend to spend more money. Also to note, if you're only selling one product, it's going to be hard to sell that compared to if you have a bunch, because when you have a lot, you have more listings up, and when selling products in person, people are going to ask what other stuff you have, and you can show them what else you got. Reselling is a lot more simple than you think it is. It might seem hard at first, but over time, you'll see how quick and easy it is to get sales. But that's about it for me, guys. Make sure to like and sub and leave a nice comment. See ya.